It's icky. It's sticky. It's squishy. It's slime. Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna make homemade slime. First, we're gonna make some basic slime. Then, we're gonna make some super slime. For the first slime, you need 5 basic ingredients: water, white school glue, borax, cornstarch, and food coloring. Let's get started! First, get your glue. Pour half of it in the bowl. Next, we're gonna make our borax solution. We're gonna pour a little water. Next, add borax. Get a ground-up to do this part. You need about a tablespoon. No eating popcorn in the hall. And now stir it up. Add a little bit to the glue. Mix it thoroughly. It's starting to get slimy. Now add a pinch of cornstarch. Add a little solution and stir it up some more. Add a few drops of food coloring and keep stirring it up. I'm using yellow. It looks like eggs. Really slimy. Whoa! That was some good slime, but it was kind of sticky and messy. Next, we're gonna make some super slime. Super slime is made just like basic slime, except shaving cream and saline solution. These are your magic ingredients. Next, combine glue, cornstarch, and shaving cream. The shaving cream makes it fluffy, but don't eat it. Stir it up. Now add borax water and saline solution. Saline solution is pretty much salt water. I'm gonna add a few drops of blue food coloring and stir it up. Yeah, this one is not messy. Super slime is cool because it can bounce. And you can poke it. If you want to play with this later, you can store it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and squish the like button. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your slime. Peace. Yeah.